Hi, I'm Danny from 𝗃𝗲 out of Holland. We are a grower of hydrangeas. Flowering hydrangeas will give pleasure all summer long. We have a wide range, mainly special colors, special varieties and special flower types. And that's what we have selected over here. Well known, the Hydrangea Royalty collection with selected varieties out of everything that's on the market, with a special flower, a special leaf color, a curly edge on the flower. Everything that is special will fit in the Royalty collection and can be beautiful terrace garden. Beside of that we have the Music collection with rich flowering, intense colored varieties, really dark red, dark blue, dark purple, in the shape with a lot of flowers on the plant. You have a lot of flowers all summer long. Magical hydrangeas, probably well known for their intense flower period and the long flower period, flowering like now till the first night frost in the autumn, and in that time they will change the color. You see it on the label, they will change the color like 3 times till they reach the autumn color, and you have the whole summer pleasure of flowering hydrangea in different colors, and you have only to buy once a plant. Another type of hydrangeas that is even more popular every year is the Runaway Bride. It's other type than all the Macrophylla varieties I've shown. This is a hybrid, a cross from several hydrangea types, and it's growing more wide than high. You see that they made a lot of branches, and in every branch they make a flower. Also during the summer they will make new shoots, and in every new shoot will be a new flower during the whole summer. So you have really a flowering period time of the whole summer with new, wide, intense flowers. It's a lovely gift product, but it's also a lovely product for flowering in the garden time. Hydrangea paniculata, also an easy care hydrangea, and you can cut it very easy in the summer. It gets really nice flowers in the summertime. We will get it in a few weeks with flowers available. Now it's the spring stage, but it's also a good stage for planting in the garden at the moment already for summer flowering. Then we have a wide range of some bigger hydrangeas, and that is in this case a dark leaf black diamond varieties, really special for the leaf color. Mainly selected pink, red and purple flowering colors, and that gives a big contrast with the dark leaf colors. Something that is really special in your garden from the first moment they will grow in the springtime already. Something also you don't see very often, so if you want something that's really special, everyone in this dark leaf variety will be in. The Royalty collection, the same as in the smaller pot, but only then the bigger plants. It's a selection of the special varieties with special colors, special leaves or curly flowers. Here we have also the Music collection again in the bigger pots. It's the rich flowering. You see the amount of flowers on those plants with the intense colors if you like the really intense flower color on the terrace. Forever and ever. It's an hydrangea you can cut in the spring. It's an easy care hydrangea. It flowers on the first year's wood. Main Macrophylla types all flower on second year's wood, so that's sometimes a problem with pruning. If you cut it in spring, then you will lose the flowers for summer. Forever and ever is the solution for that. They make flowers on the 1 year wood stems, so you can have some pruning in the springtime and flowers in the summertime the same year. Here we have also the Magical again in the big pots, changing color varieties, the harder varieties, and they will last very long in the whole summer and autumn with changing flower color. And then beside that we have the Forever and Ever hotbugs, 2 colors, pink and blue, rich flowering, but mainly you see the smaller leaves and the smaller flowers than a common Macrophylla type. That is because this variety grows very short, grows very compact. Flowers also on the 1 year's wood, so it is easy to cut, but you doesn't need to cut that very often because it grows very compact. And because of the amount of branches and the amount of flowers, you don't lose the flower intensity of a hydrangea. You need some more flowers for the same amount of flower intensity. And here we have, beside of everything, just the common Macrophylla in the different range of colors. It's where it all starts and where everyone is happy with just the common one. If you don't need something special, it's always good to have a hydrangea for summer flowering. So that's the whole hydrangea program we presented. I hope you have a lovely summer hydrangea season.